Harlem Nights and Black Glamour. I can remember when I first caught a glimpse of Jasmine Guy in this movie, in this dress. Although I was only 4 years old when the movie Harlem Nights premiered in 1989, and the fact that it was very much rated R didn't keep me from eventually watching the TV edited version when I was a little older. I mean, it was a real moment for me. She was black, she was glamorous, and her name was Jasmine. Not in the movie. In the movie, she was Miss Dominique De La Rue. She was dripping in pink, satin, lace, and feather. The film debuted in 1989 and was set in the 1930s. The entire movie was just a non-stop visual masterpiece as far as I was concerned. I would have a similar reaction to The Great Gatsby, both versions. In my mind, this is where the marriage of cinematography and fashion danced a beautiful waltz, leaving an imprint upon your brain and allowing you to escape to a time and an era you may never get to experience. I sat down recently and rewatched the movie for the first time unedited, completely unrepentant. Before I share with you some of my favorite fashion images from the movie, I wanted to briefly acknowledge the costume designers that brought this film to life. Key costumers: Norman A. Berza. He was active for many years and was born March 15, 1934. His most famous movies were My Girl 2 and Apocalypse Now. He died June 5, 2002. Andrea E. Weaver. This is a photo of her. Born November 20th, 1944. She's currently 75 years old. Her film credits include Raging Bull, Robin Hood, The Men in Tights. Assistant Costume Designer, Violet Jones Faison. Unfortunately, I was unable to find any personal information on Violet other than the fact that she's still alive, and her film credits include Get Smart, The Fresh Prince of Bel-Air, and Class Act. Now let's see their works in motion. Jasmine Guy as the lovely Dominique De La Rue in this gorgeous red ensemble with matching gloves, gold embroidery adorning the cape and the center front bodice, and her hair and makeup beautifully complementing the look. With this look, she has pin curls, dramatic makeup, powerful red lipstick, drop diamond earrings, and you can already see the beautiful feather design on the top of the dress. Now you can see the sort of cross neck design with the diamond centerpiece pendant and the gorgeous bracelet. Gorgeous red nails all come together to make this very dramatic, powerful look. The iconic feathered pink satin dress. As you can see here, she has those gorgeous feathers, the satin pink nightgown, the pin curls, and the red lipstick, giving so much glam. The actress in this scene played a very small role, but I picked her out because they paid so much attention. Even though she was on screen for such a very short time, they paid a lot of attention to making sure she had all the details that all the other main characters had. The feathers, the pin curls, the powerful red lipstick. Each and every character that was on screen was equally as breathtaking and dramatic as the main characters were. The late Della Reese played Vera, a strong, powerful woman who also dressed to the nines. In this picture, she's wearing gold lame and a gorgeous millinery piece. In all her scenes, she stole the show. You can remember this very iconic look from the movie, but there was other pieces they put her in. The millinery work here again was beautiful. The accessories, the diamond pendants, the beautiful patterns and textures that were very glamorous, a little bit sassy in some of the scenes. But again, no matter how minor or major the character role was, the costume designer ensured that each actress was exquisitely dressed and that she was equally as eye-catching. Here we have Leela Roshan, who played the gorgeous Sunshine. I love this piece and the makeup, the hat. Again, they always made sure the millinery work matched the outfits and that they each had their own statement. Again, she had this gorgeous feathered stole, the gorgeous dress with these gold sort of pattern coming off. In this scene, Sunshine wears this black fur stole with a chiffon black and yellow top. You see the ruffles, the flouncing, the satin gloves, the diamond bracelets again, and those pin curls, red lipstick. We've got the sequin skirt just to bring out more of the glam, off the shoulder design. I love the pleating they use in the blouse because it just gave it more dimension and made the design more interesting. Finally, we have Berlinda Tolbert, and she played Annie. I don't have many shots of her, but I also wanted to just take a minute to recognize the makeup, the hair, the outfits. I mean, the hats in this movie. I could not find the milliner for this movie, but the hats in this movie were exquisite, and they went so beautifully with the dresses. We did a lot of beading and embroidery, and it was actually quite wonderful. So that was my brief synopsis of Harlem Nights, fashion and film. Do you have any favorite looks? Please comment below. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. Videos are uploaded weekly covering dressmaking, fashion, lectures, and more.